Would you trust a robot to manage your hard-earned money? It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but robo-advisors are here, and they're changing the game. These are automated platforms that use algorithms to build and manage your investment portfolio. For a fraction of the cost of a human advisor, they offer services like automatic rebalancing and tax loss harvesting. It's a fantastic, low-cost way for beginners to get into investing without feeling overwhelmed. But what about the human touch? A robot won't calm your nerves during a market crash or talk you through a major life decision. So, what's your take? Are you team robot, team human, or maybe a bit of both? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more finance insights. Thanks for watching.